Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes. And that unit 10 is running. That is haloalkanes and haloarenes. And I have already told you about the classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes in my previous class. Today, we will talk about methods of preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Just first method from alcohol. From alcohol. Alcohols are treated with different reagents such as hydrogen halides, sodium halides, phosphorus halide, and SOCl2, that is called as thionyl chloride, and haloalkanes, corresponding haloalkanes are obtained. ROH, R means CnH2n plus 1. When treated with various agents such as hydrogen halide, X is equal to FClBrI. R is equal to CnH2n plus 1. It is called as alkyl group and it is called as halide group. Corresponding haloalkanes are obtained when any dehydrating agent is used, such as anhydrous ZnCl2. Anhydrous ZnCl2 act as dehydrating agent. Water molecules H2O formed in the reaction is absorbed by anhydrous ZnCl2 and Rx means corresponding alkyl halides are obtained according the reaction. R is equal to Cn H2n plus 1. It is called as alkyl or alkyl. X is equal to FClBrI jointly called as halogens or halides. CH3 at the place of R, CH3 is put here and Cl on HX. The compound will be CH3Cl like this one. CH3OH plus HCl treated with anhydrous ZnCl2 or any other dehydrating agents. Corresponding compound here CH3Cl is obtained. Alcohols when treated with sodium halides such as NaCl, NaBr, NaI, then corresponding halides are obtained and byproduct NaOH is formed. To neutralize NaOH, H2SO4 is used, by which the salt of sodium sulfate and water molecules are formed. H2SO4 absorb water molecules, that is, it acts as dehydrating agent and it takes place and neutralizing agent both. Rx plus NaOH. NaOH again reacts with H2SO4 forming Na2SO4 sodium sulfate and water molecule. Water molecule formed is absorbed by H2SO4. So H2SO4 act as dehydrating agent as well as dehydrating agent as well as neutralizing agent both. Now, if we use phosphorus iodides, phosphorus iodides also taking place in chemical reaction with alcohols and forming corresponding halides as expressing in the following reactions. Alcohol are treated with phosphorus halide. Phosphorus form two type of halide, PX3 phosphorus trihalide and PX5 PX5. Two type of halides are formed by phosphorus. Phosphorus trihalide and phosphorus pentahalide. X is equal to, I have already explained, fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. And the reaction undergoes as alkyl halide molecules are formed when pentahalides are treated with alcohol, alkyl halide, any halo, that is haloalkanes are formed, as well as POX3 phosphorus oxytrihalide and HX hydrogen halide. These are the byproduct. So you can use phosphorus and halogen also. Phosphorus and halogen both are taking place in the chemical reaction forming phosphorus halide. That may be tri or pentahalide, both when treated with alcohol forming corresponding alkyl halides. Any problem to any student? There will be no problem, I think so. And if any problem is being created, then you can ask without any hesitation. Now, when SOCl2, thionyl chloride, is used as a reagent and alcohols thionyl chloride is treated with alcohol. Corresponding halides are obtained as given on blackboard. These two reactions, SO2 and HCl, are obtained as byproduct. So you can remember it that alcohols when treated with different reagents forming corresponding halides such as PX3, PX5 phosphorus trihalide, phosphorus pentahalide, thionyl chloride, and HX as well as NaOH. Different reagents are taking place to obtain corresponding halides of alkane when they are treated with alcohol. Any problem? There will be no problem, as I think so. Now the next, from hydrocarbon. From hydrocarbon, how haloalkanes are obtained? Any hydrocarbon, that is, hydrocarbons are of two types, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon both are taking place in chemical reaction with halogens and forming corresponding haloalkanes according following reactions. All of you know well. RH, any alkane, it represent any alkane, such as CnH2n plus 1 and plus 1, it is equal to CnH2n plus 2, that is alkane. And when it is treated with halogen in the presence of suitable catalysts, and it is heated directly with halogen, then corresponding alkyl halides are formed and hydrogen halides are obtained as byproduct. So you can prepare haloalkane from alkanes directly on photolysis with halogens. And the next one, unsaturated hydrocarbons, how can provide you haloalkanes, we will take in our next period. Thank you. Thank you very much. See you again.